How to fix link direct open in browser problem. So if you want to fix the problem of link direct opening in your browser problem on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So if you want to open links in your app instead of your browser on your iPhone, then today I'm going to show you how you can do this. If you are clicking to any of the link and it's redirecting you to the browser, or in your Safari or Chrome or any other browser on your iPhone, then what you need to do is the first solution, you have to go with your iPhone settings. And once you're on your iPhone settings, you need to just scroll down and go with apps. Under apps, you will have Safari. So you just need to simply scroll down and then find Safari. After tapping on Safari, you will have this kind of interface. And you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of open links. So tap on open links, and here it says in the background or in a new tab. So first of all, you have to enable auto minimize tab bar. Under tabs, you will have that option, which is auto minimize tab bar. After enabling that, you can go with open links, and here you need to go and select a new tab. Once you've selected a new tab, it will open the link in your browser. And tap on close tabs and then go with manually. That's it. This will solve your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.